What's up, guys? Welcome back to REVS, and today we've got some $6,000 titanium axle back mufflers. Yep, we're gonna unbox them real quick, show you guys what's up. I picked these up, they're used obviously. These are the only ones I know of here in the US. Lexon Exclusive titanium mufflers, just like our diffuser, which is Lexon. Also, if you guys want a REVS decal, we're doing a giveaway right now. Go on to our merch store below, type in I think discount codes free decal, no spaces, and go ahead and get one while supplies last. I think I have like 100 that I'm giving away. That being said, if you want to watch this video in Spanish, click the card, and yeah, I'm gonna back the car into the garage and show you guys the mufflers because they're pretty cool.
I changed it to 1 second for you so that you couldn't screenshot the oh, and I had the little dinosaur costume on.
Yeah, I literally just replay in the screenshot.
Yeah, it's retarded.
So yeah, guys, here are the mufflers. You're gonna throw in our spare mid pipe along with it. GTHAUS mid pipe. This is the V1 that I had. If you guys remember, I had like a resonator thing in the middle that blew up. So I had this custom X pipe welded on there. Doesn't look the best, but it doesn't leak. It sounds amazing. I'm gonna throw that on, and here are the Lexon Exclusive mufflers. Look how fat those tips are. I for one think it's gonna be quieter than the GTHAUS. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be louder.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll figure it out. Definitely for sure different tone because titanium, so we'll get to it. We're gonna lift up the car and then go from there. That's a higher pitch.
That's higher pitch, but it's more like a, I don't know, it's weird. This one's up and this one's like thud thud thud.
Oh yeah, stainless titanium. Yeah. Well, guys, Parker, we both unbolted the exhaust from the bottom, and
Parker, just like that, it's out.
You took the hangers off?
Yeah.
There's two hangers up front that just go straight out.
Yeah, I got one. I gotta do the other one. I'm not on that side though.
Hell yeah, dude. When did we just take the muffler out here? I'll stay over here because that way the tips don't fall. Because if they fall, they might just finish destroying the diffuser.
Finish destroying?
Yeah.
I hope they finish destroying it.
No, dude.
Beat up.
$1,500 diffuser. I can't.
Dude, I wish you guys could see how much rubber's back here. It's ridiculous.
We'll check it out when you take the mufflers out.
No, it's ridiculous, dude.
I know it's ridiculous. You want to see it? You're gonna want to see it?
It's like eating an ice cream cone of rubber.
Oh no. Oh yeah, you have to look at it from the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Why there's so much water in my mufflers, bro? That's how much water tipped out?
Dude, there's like a ton. It's like a freaking river over here.
I mean, I don't think
waterfall.
No, it's raining, but I don't think it's raining inside the mufflers. That's weird.
Like maybe rain like falls in because they stick out too.
I'll check it out.
There she blows.
Bring it out.
Yeah.
See, look how small these mufflers are.
Ugh. Dude, seriously, look at all that rubber.
Hey, did you disconnect the connector?
No.
Before pulling them out?
No.
That's good.
It broke.
It's alright, we don't need valves.
No valves. Open all the time.
God damn it. Nice. Put all that rubber on the muffler.
Here, grab this. I can't grab that side.
Grab what?
Just right there somewhere. We're going to set it down like this. Just like that. I don't want to screw the tips up on the top.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy actually. Compared to those.
Those are bigger, but these are smaller.
That's definitely heavier, but you also have a... What's it called?
The valve thing that
those are so much lighter.
That we broke. Are they?
Yeah.
Should we weigh them?
Yeah, for sure. Do you have a scale?
Yeah, we'll have
of course you have a scale out here.
Of course I have a scale. There's fat people everywhere here.
Yes, yes. Well, it's like 2 pounds though.
Scale.
Look how old this thing is. It's like from 1994.
Whatever, bro. Just adjust it.
It's already at 280 pounds.
No, adjust it to 0. We'll throw a muffler on it.
It's at 0. Close enough.
You can just like support it a little bit.
There.
Let's say 18 pounds?
Yeah, let's say 18.
Oh, this one's a lot lighter. There's no way. Dude, it's 8 pounds. It's a 10-pound difference.
It's at least 10 pounds.
Dang.
At least 10 off. That's impressive.
Maybe
They're much lighter, but those also don't have cutouts. The cutout's probably like 5 pounds.
No, they're not that. No, they're like
probably
2
like
pounds.
3, but Still, close enough.
Even if these don't sound as good, I might have to leave them on for weight savings.
Yes, because then you don't have to go to the gym.
No. Well, no, because I'm gonna gain
No, you don't
muscle
have to go
mass.
to the gym. You can just put these on and your car's faster.
No, I'm gonna get heavier though because muscle.
Little lip.
Oh, they have the lip. Oh, so they're gonna suck more to take out, huh?
Yeah, that's what it doesn't know. That's okay.
What's the GTHAUS ones that I have them?
That's enough. Just enough to lube her up.
Lubo. So what's cool is we can do this side in English and we can do the other side in Spanish.
Okay. Todo está bien, güey.
No, we're still English, bro.
Dude. Is this the right one?
Yeah, that's the right one.
Yeah. I'm gonna need you to hand it to me.
Alright, I'll hand it to you. From this angle, you guys can see the difference between the oval tips and the circular tips.
I haven't seen it yet, but I'm definitely a fan of the oval tips.
Yeah, the burnt tips are kind of cool though.
Burnt tips give it that rice look. That JDM look, fool.
I like the oval tips better for sure though.
Oh, dude, I got freaking rubber chunks on my freaking arms.
I'm sorry, I do a lot of burnouts.
Look at that.
Oh, dude, look at that.
Dude, I'm serious.
Yeah,
You want me to pull this one off right now? It's gigantic.
No, leave it on. It's cool.
Oh,
Just leave it on.
alright. It's on.
Look at all the rubber on the mufflers, literally.
This is insane.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it. I don't think it's as loud.
It's not as loud.
No, it's definitely not.
Not on startup. It still pops though.
Yeah, it still had a nice pop and gurgle, but...
You know what that means though?
Ooh, it's quiet.
No, the other one's quieted down a lot too.
Was it?
I think how these don't have that.
Right. They don't have that V8 sound?
Take it out for a spin.
Let's see.
Go wash your hands while I inject it.
Alright, first impressions.
I don't know.
What do you think?
I don't know. I'm gonna air it out first.
Oh, you're gonna air it out. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna be super.
Look at my dad's fit. It's so cute. Purple wheels. Purple trim.
You can already tell that tone is a lot different.
It is different.
I think this may be the ticket though. We want to do headers. But I couldn't do ticket headers with the other mufflers.
It's a little bit raspy.
No, it just would have been way too loud. I feel like these could probably use a little bit more volume, you know? It's definitely not as loud. Still pops though.
It still pops, yeah.
So I don't know, dude. I think it might be deceiving. Sign, you know?
Yeah, maybe it did quiet it down on the cabin.
Maybe. It's for sure still loud.
All right, first thoughts. I think it sounds good. It's definitely like a toned down version of what you've had, but what you've had before is just like open cutouts, just.
It was loud, but I don't know if it was like a good loud, you know?
Yeah, whereas like now it's like a good crisp, like, whereas before it wasn't.
Exactly.
So it's different. It's a different sound.
I wonder how this would sound with headers though.
With headers, this might open it up, dude.
Because I know
This might be insane.
Because I know with the GTHAUS mufflers, when you put headers on that, it's like literally unbearable. You know?
Well, I mean, yeah, it's like straight piped all the way back.
Too much.
Whereas like right now, I think it could do some headers and like have a nice sound, because you won't hear it at idle with headers.
No.
You know, but at wide open throttle, you will. You know, not that we ever go wide open throttle.
Ever.
That was freaking nuts. You're spinning third gear, bro.
I mean, it's just a Lexus.
Extra power from the titanium.
Sure, dude. Weight savings.